Looking to add a dash of excitement to your sessions, or perhaps to distribute discussion themes in your workshop? Let's explore Diggle's Spin the Wheel feature. Begin by entering your question in the question field. Then add your options, known as sectors, which will appear on the wheel. Need more options? Click Add Sector to include additional choices. Under the Who Will Spin tab, choose between Participant, allowing each participant to spin individually, or Presenter, where you control the spin for the entire audience. Enable multiple spins to let the wheel be spun more than once before moving on. If you turn on the Enable Text Reply, participants can submit text responses after spinning. This is perfect for capturing reflections or feedback after a discussion. By default, the wheel distributes the sectors evenly among participants. Enabling random selection will allow multiple participants to land on the same sector. That's it. Customize your wheel settings to match your session goals and enjoy dynamic, engaging discussions with Diggle. If you would like to learn more, head over to our Help Center at help.diggle.com and remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy diggling!